Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G53 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using a home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and obviously visible for me. Once your content is prepared, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. So just a click. It captures it and gives you three options: edit, share, Google Lens, and delete as the options, and after a moment it just vanishes. Once the screenshot vanishes, you can find it in your gallery application or photos. You can see it right at the top right here, but you should also be able to quickly locate it in albums if we have any, but we don't, so you would have to kind of tap on the screenshot text and then you'll see it. But anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.